my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of EvermoreExplore. Cracking day today. Again, lovely bit of sunshine. The rocks were a bit slippery when we got down here. Still are a little bit. New March day, isn't it, Chris?
Plenty of snags, yeah.
Yeah, plenty of snags, yeah. We've had a go for an hour.
It's not
to see
too
what it's like. But it's alright though. Yeah, it's not too bad. We found
Show
the
you the
ground.
sun quickly.
We found where the rough bits are, where not the cast. So birds diving in the water for lunch. But yeah, it's not too bad actually.
Lovely scenery.
Lovely
Hopefully.
scenery. Corner in there, look.
Hopefully get a few fish for you lot.
See you shortly.
Cheers again.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
So, back home, nice and dry, lovely day fishing, but just no fish. This year on our coast hasn't been that great, has it?
No.
It's been
weird year.
Yeah, it's been a bit weird, to be honest. It's as if the fish know about the COVID. But anyhow, off again tomorrow for another session, bait fishing this time. Hopefully have a bit more better luck. But yeah, today was just a bit of a flaw, really. Nice to get out though. Nice to get a bit of footage and whatnot, and give you guys something to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's from us for the minute. Cheers and gone.